Nice job, Tyler. Go with him. Skate, Aiden Rose. Skate. Nice shot. Good job, you guys. Tyler, beautiful play. Good job, you guys.
Tyler.
5-2. Go, Aiden, that's your puck. Cameron. We're going to change them. Good job, Cameron. Good job, Tyler. We're changing. Good job, you guys. 2 goals from the D that shift. Nice shift. Nice shift, D. Let's go, guys. Hey, Nikki and Max. Match that. Penetration into their zone. That was beautiful.
I did one of my old
front of the net, Max, take command. Max is holding the puck too long. He's letting the guy like get a play on him before he shoots or passes. Nice job. Look around, Nikki. Good job. Battle it, battle it. Get back, Ryan, get back. Come on, Ryan, do something with the puck. Go get it. Back check. Back check. Go, Riley. Go to the net, Ryan. Go to the net. Way to protect the puck, Klugerman. Get it, Nikki. Get it out front. Go get it, Ryan. Go get it. Go get it, Ryan. Get back, get back, get back. Max. Oh. Get it. Hey, where's our wing over here? Go, Ryan, get it. Back check. Back check. Oh, they're pinching us off pretty good. They're playing physical. Get it out of the zone, guys. Man behind you. Cameron, pick him up. Pick him up. Man in front. Get it out. Get it out. Get it out of the zone. It's a scrum. Cameron staying at home in front of the net. Good job. Good job. Skate it. Skate it. Nice job. Go, Alex. Oh, Aiden hustled to the net that time. That was good. Back check, back check. Go, Joe. Back check. Back check, Joseph. Wow, Joe hustled out there to the point. Get it out! Uh-oh. Pick him up, Cam. Nice job! Go, Nico! Who's with him? Who's with him? Get back, Nikki, get back! Get back, get back! Get back, Nikki! Oh, that was dangerous. Get back, Nikki, get back, get back! Two. All right, we got to ice up. Oh! Back check! Back check! Hey, Nikki and Max, look, watch the cherry picker. Behind you, Nikki, they got a cherry picker. Get back! Get back! Stay back, Nikki. They're playing the cherry picker. Two hands, Maxwell, two hands. Nice job, Cole. Get it out. Nice job. Go, Nico. Go with him. Go, Cole. Go, Cole. Alice, pass it. Nice. Oh, nice play. Here we go. Get that shot off, Cole. Oh, a dribbler. It's in there. Nice job, Nico. Hey, good job, Nico. Good job. Way to put pressure on him. Let's change the D. Good job. Change the D. Good job, you guys. Go to the net, Ryan. Go! Back check, Aiden! Back check!